Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add subtitle in a clip with DaVinci Resolve. So let's get into it. Friends, as you can see, I've got a clip here. So now I'm going to add a subtitle in there. Let's say if I want to add a subtitle here or anywhere I wish, I need to take the line and that point. And then we need to right click in this area, and then we have an option, add subtitle track. Click on this and then make sure that we are in this particular track, and then open the inspector. Here we have different option. We have option of creating caption and then style. So first we create a title, and as you can see it has been appeared here, so we can change it to anything as we hear from the video. Right, so this is the first clip, and now if we want to adjust this, style it a bit, then we need to go in the style menu, and from there we can change the font. We can change the font face, whatever we like. We can adjust the size, line spacing, and everything else. We also can change the color if we want to. Right, so now if we want to create another title anywhere, like immediately after this one, we just need to take the line at the end of these title, and then we add new, so it creates another title. Right, and again we can always adjust the size and everything else. Right, and then if we want to adjust the clip, if we want to extend it any length we want, we can do that. We can also decrease the duration. So please make sure that you take the line end of the title so that you can get a new title after the clip. Otherwise, if you keep it here and add a new title, that is going to replace here, so you got to be careful in that regard. So friends, this is how you simply can create subtitle using DaVinci Resolve. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.